Hi everyone, welcome back to K2 Blogging, and this is the updated tutorial on how to inspect element from mobile devices. So about an year ago, I made a video on how to inspect element from mobile, where you can use the Chrome tab tool using a simple JavaScript, and you can inspect your HTML, CSS and JavaScript file, but there is one limitation that you can't change or edit the CSS files. You can just view the HTML and CSS. So you can see, you can go to elements and you can select any elements. Let's suppose you can select the button, and here you can click on here. You can see you have the CSS files, but you can't edit those CSS files using this method. So today in this video, I'm going to share you a method where you can edit your CSS and HTML files and make live changes on your website. So for this, you need to install a browser called Kiwi. So you can just simply go to Play Store and search for this browser. So let me go to Play Store and search for it and install this. After that, let me open this. So this browser allows you to install extensions. So click on here and click on find and install extension. Now simply search for DevTool, and here you will find this extension Mobi DevTool. Just click on this. Now you need to add this to your preview browser. Let's install it. Now the extension is installed. Let me go to any website. So let me go to K2 Blogging, and here click on this extension. Here you will see an interface like this, where you can select the elements, you can select the console, you have the source code, and then you have the network tab, performance tab. So you can see the FPS and DNS, TTFB and DOM size and everything. You can see the applications, you can see the device information. So let's go to elements, and here you can select any of the element. So let me click on here. Now let me select this element. Now here you can see this is this button. Now here you can see all the stylings. So you can change its value. Let's suppose you want to change the background color of this button. Then I will click on background and let me change this background. Currently it is blue. Let me change that to black. As you can see, the button color is now changed. So in this way, you can make edits. You can add new property. So just click on property and you can set the property and set the value here. So you have all these options, box mode. So you will get the full functionality that you have get in the desktop version as well. So you can see event listener, computer style, and you have the hover option as well, or class option. So you can add any property and you can copy this property to clipboard, but it is very difficult to work on dev tools from mobile devices. But if you want to inspect elements and make small changes on your website or any website, then you can use this browser, Kiwi browser, where you can install the Mobi DevTool extensions and you can easily inspect any element and make edits on CSS, JavaScript and HTML as well. And if this video is helpful to you, then make sure to hit the like button, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.